of the biggest area hospital healthcare systems is anticipating federal cuts from the Trump administration, and it could impact you and your family down the road. Last week, I told you how Kaleida Health has confirmed it will no longer be able to operate its 2 Buffalo Therapy Services clinics. Now, one is located in Williamsville and the other at DeGraff Medical Park in North Tonawanda. And tonight, I'm sharing the voices of a woman whose partner counts on these services, along with a man who recovered from a brain injury, all thanks to therapy at one of those clinics, and a local congressman who shares his thoughts on what's happening.
It's going to put a huge void in a lot of people's lives.
Since May, Lisa Lederhouse tells me that her longtime partner, Patrick, has been receiving care from Buffalo Therapy Services in Williamsville. She says going without it is hard to come to terms with.
In January of this year, went in for surgery and unfortunately had some complications. Ended up spending 68 days in the hospital.
Patrick suffered an anoxic brain injury from complications. It's a condition where the brain is deprived of oxygen for a prolonged period of time, leading to damage or death of brain cells. At first, he had difficulty doing daily tasks.
He's done amazing. Initially, when I brought him home, he couldn't get out of bed on his own. He had a hard time feeding himself. He couldn't get dressed by himself.
The progress has been 4 months in the making. He received occupational therapy, physical therapy, and speech therapy, all at this location, which has been very convenient.
They're amazing. They offer all 3 services. They're like our family now.
Last week, I spoke with Hamburg resident Phil Stokes, who shared how appreciative he was for the clinic during his care following a crash that led to his traumatic brain injury in 2017.
Working with their staff, it was, they were very patient. They were compassionate, and they were, very good at keeping me on track, challenging me to, push myself to continue to improve.
This week, Republican Congressman Nick Langworthy said that many people are making business decisions and says that people are using the big, beautiful bill as a scapegoat.
Feel for anyone that loses their job, but they clearly felt that those clinics weren't beneficial financially for Kaleida, and they made a business decision. Now, they can blame the big, beautiful bill, but there's been zero impact of the big, beautiful bill in terms of dollars and cents.
Friday, I learned that the Williamsville location has informed patients of at least 3 other locations that offer PT, OT, and speech therapy under the healthcare system. But for Lederhouse, this will be tough because she says Patrick's care is specialized.
Where we go from not here, he wants to keep doing speech and occupational therapy, so he's going to pay for speech out of his own pocket until they close here in November. After that, I'm not sure.
Now, the one aspect that Lisa tells me has taken away from Patrick's independence is not being able to drive. Now, while he can't drive now, she tells me that his goal is to eventually do so.